Done.
Kami na. Kasi pag naka-on sa akin yun.
This is how you play a guitar. First, you need a guitar. Then, you need the strings on a guitar. You need to place the strings in the guitar so it will play. You need the first of the things. You need the tuner. This is the tuner. Focus the tuner.
Machine head yan.
Focus the tuner. Yeah. The tuner
Machine head.
Machine head works to tune the guitar. This is the guitar. Okay. Now, you play the guitar. First, you need fingers. 10 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers you need to play the guitar. You need to place the fingers in the guitar so that it would play.
Sabi mo kanina, nilalagbat ka.
This is the G chord to play the guitar. You need the other finger to play the guitar. Then, you need to strum it like this. Look, this will assure you that the guitar is properly tuned. Now, you play like this. Now, you know how to play the guitar. So,
Yes, you did.
next season, I will show you how to play the
Guitar.
cajon, the beatbox. Goodbye.
Parang may nabuo ka, no?